Welcome, welcome back to another how to replace or set up this baby right here. This is your ambient sensor, ambient temperature sensor. I don't know how you say it. There's your numbers, codes, everything for this ambient sensor for an Audi A4 Quattro 2013 14 model, whichever. It doesn't matter. It's the same thing. There are your cords, your cables. It's under your bumper on the right hand side, passenger side tire. Now you might be wondering, was that cord there, that connector here, hanging there for? I have no idea. I don't know what that is for. If anybody knows what that is for, leave a comment below and let me know. Because I'm gonna lay down right here. As you can see, you have your fog light connector already in there, but then this one comes out of a harness and it's hanging out there. As well, on the other side, there's your connector. I have no idea what's it for, and like always, your fog light's right in there, and it's connected. There's no other connections where I should connect that, but this is one weird Audi. It has, I don't know if those are the original fans. They look kind of iffy. I don't know if those are OEMs. They look kind of aftermarket. So let's connect this temperature sensor on there. It's ambient temperature sensor. I'm trying to get this to set up correctly. So right off the bat, we have to cut this off, shave them down, because that's no bueno. So this is an easy job. 2 connections. So here we go. Got my lucky backpack right here. It's got everything in here I need for electrical resources. Come on. For electrical solutions. And we're gonna cut this off. I know some people say, oh, just tape it up. Just tape it all up and it'll work. Yeah. I'm not fixing to waste so much tape on this. So what we're gonna do, just enough so that we can hook it up to the upper wires. And this is the temperature sensor that tells you when it's 110 degrees outside and it tells you that the temperature outside on your dash on your dashboard, on your odometer or speedometer, it tells you that it's negative 40 outside. I know there's a problem there. This is the baby you need to replace. It's as well with the BMWs. This is an ambient temperature sensor. This little thing, we got it online. Why did it fall off? I don't know. And it's always better if you have couplers. I think that's what you call them, bypassers. The ones you melt down, heat them up and you melt them down. It's always better to do that than just to tie them up like I'm doing so right now. This is just a little test. If it works, I'll leave it like that. If it doesn't, I get to take it apart again. Just gotta hold it there, and I'm gonna go turn on the car, see if it still marks negative 40. I gotta lower it down. Gotta use both hands for this. Alrighty. Sorry about the blurriness. I'm walking around, so it's misfocusing like a car misfire. Alrighty. Now it says plus 89. And before that, it would say right there, it would say negative 40. Negative 40. And the outside temperature right now it's 100, no, not 100, it's like 98 degrees outside right now. So if your car marks that's negative 40, that'll be the sensor you need to replace. The ambient temperature sensor. That's another situation we gotta fix it. And that. And the engine light is that temperature sensor as well. We just gotta get the computer and erase it. So I'm trying to find the problem for that. For the light in the front, it doesn't work. We put new xenon lights on there and it didn't work as well. I checked out all the fuses, all the relays that are down there in the bottom. They all check out fine. They're all lighting up, and there's a couple more fuses on that side of the door panel, inside the dash. But they're all lighting up good, so we gotta do further investigation on that. But as for now, I was just gonna show you that ambient temperature sensor replacement, and tell you exactly what it was doing before. So it was marking negative 40 in the outside temperature, and that's where it will be located, underneath this bumper. That's where your ambient temperature connector goes. Thank you all for watching my videos. Like and subscribe if this helped you. If you have an Audi or a BMW that's having you this problem, some of them may even have them in here or on the other side, right on that side. But this car has it right underneath right here. And the 745 BMW Li as well, it's got it right under here. That one's like a little cone, a little needle cone like that big, goes right under there. Thank you guys. Thank you ladies. Enjoy.